This video, I'm going to show you how to schedule Instagram posts. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Instagram on your device and sign into your account. Now make sure you have a professional Instagram account to do this. So go ahead and click on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen and create a new post. In this section, you can just go ahead and select the photo that you want to schedule as a post on your Instagram account. Now, after you have selected a photo to use as a scheduled post on Instagram, just go ahead and click on the next button at the top right corner of your screen to be able to proceed. Now in this section, you can go ahead and incorporate songs and some filters with your Instagram posts before you head over with the next steps. So you can simply browse for songs that you want to incorporate with this post and use the available filters on Instagram to be able to incorporate with your photos. So in this section, what you'll need to do is to scroll down and click on the more options under the share to. After that, you'll get redirected here. So just go ahead and enable the schedule this post. Enable this to be able to schedule your post. So in this section, you can schedule the date and time of your post, when and what time you want it to be posted. And after this, once you head back to your post and hit on the schedule button, which you will find at the bottom middle of your screen, you will be able to schedule this post on your selected time and date. Now once you refresh your feed, this will pop up on your feed, and that's how you can simply schedule your post on Instagram. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.